What's up, YouTube? Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for tuning in this video. In this video, we're going to talk about a major underrated way to raise funding and raise money for any kind of business you want to start. But first, make sure to like this video and subscribe so we get off to a good start. All right, guys, so thanks for tuning in this video. If you're watching this, you're probably wanting to start some kind of business. Maybe it's real estate, maybe it's a startup, who knows? And whatever you're doing, shout out to you. Keep going. In this video, I want to break down something I found that has worked tremendously well for me. I've actually raised over $100,000 from this website, and the website is Craigslist.com. Yes, Craigslist. Now, you might be thinking like, what the heck, Craigslist, really? But I'm gonna get into it and I'm gonna share my experience and how I did it for an RV park and what you could do it for whatever it is and whatever your business is. So, Craigslist is seriously underrated. There's actually a lot of investors on Craigslist looking to lend out their money to individuals like you that have a great idea. And these investors don't want to necessarily maybe put in the sweat work or the groundwork to get a business started. They just want to simply invest their money. So what I would recommend for you is if you go on to Craigslist, what I did, I went to the tab where it says real estate, and I went to for sale by owner, and then I would post ads saying looking for money. I have an RV park looking to expand my lots. I need $100,000, and I would get messages all the time from people that wanted to give out loans and people that were trying to give money away. And you could do this for whatever category you're in. If you're looking to get started in real estate, maybe you have a property already and you're looking for money. Maybe you are looking to acquire a property and you have a good idea. Put it out on Craigslist, and you'll be blown away by the kind of responses you get from people. I had, big time investors that contacted me. I had a mobile home that I sold off of Craigslist. It was through owner financing. I had sold a mobile home actually, and I was receiving monthly payments from the buyer, and I wanted to sell that contract, and I actually put it up on Craigslist, and I got a gentleman from South Florida who was an investor who buys notes and buys owner financing contracts, and he bought that contract actually off of me. We went through a lawyer and everything, but he was off of Craigslist. And another example was I found a loan officer off of Craigslist, and he actually connected us with a capital fund to where now we have access to a lot of money, and we can start up pretty much any RV park or real estate investment we want. But whatever you're looking to start up, whether it's in the real estate sector, put an ad out. It doesn't cost you any money to put an ad out on Craigslist saying, hey, I'm looking for money for this idea. Email me for more info or call me for more info. It could be, a startup business, maybe a coffee shop, put up on, the business tab that you're looking to start a coffee shop and you're looking for X amount of dollars, and get these people to contact you. And from there, you can talk further with them. But I think it's a very, very underrated way to raise money, especially kind of under the table if you don't have maybe all the credentials, but you have a really good idea. It could be a huge opportunity for you to be able to get funding. And it's worked for me. I'm sure it could work for you. There's also other sites like Facebook Marketplace or specific Facebook groups that are great, but I'm recommending Craigslist in this video because it's worked for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Comment down below whatever journey you're on. If you are maybe investing in real estate or you're starting up a business, I want to hear about it. Comment it down below. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to see how I started my RV park, watch this video to the side here. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.